Damn it, hard ass, will you move?
Don't record his ass. You don't want to get on the way. The thing they pull right there, they pull that.
Oh my God, Sean!
You got some trucks already went up, had to get on the trailer, fuck them up. You could bring your own ones up from the street on here, the ones you drive. We didn't want to do that. Trying not to skip too much. I don't want you guys to miss anything, but I've been pausing it. So, you know, skipping parts. Right. I can get to the good stuff. Right, when I was first time. Because I can only have so much storage and I can take it up. This is fun. Started at around 7. I don't know what time it is currently. Chemung County Fair. The Chemung County Fair. I'm probably docking myself with all this live on there because I'm really watching the video that much anyway. I think those to do.
Not a bad looking truck.
Yeah, that's a nice truck. Gonna hook up to that. Then he's gonna try to pull it all the way down to there or further. 300 feet. And the record is what, 324?
Yeah.
Yeah, 324 feet so far.
Well, not in this class. That was with the other ones.
Yeah, but
The street ones haven't run yet.
yeah, the street ones haven't run yet, but with the non-street ones have run like the record for that one was 324. These guys haven't run yet. We can see how good this one does. He's getting ready to go. people might know how these work. That watch my videos, they might know how these work.
Here comes an older truck. There's an older truck now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The Ford. Sorry, my hands are very shaky. I should have bought the tripod, but I didn't think about it. Skipped it a little bit, so that way we could get up to where I'm getting ready to hook up. Skip. So I can see it, you guys couldn't. I was going to skip it, you know what I mean. Anyway. Can't really see because things in the way. Oh, wow.
6 feet?
4.
Wow.
4 feet. The lowest.
Oh, they're going to try it again.
The lowest we've seen is part of the...
That is the lowest.
Yeah, the shortest runs, the lowest. The actual completed runs, the lowest we've seen is 261. But
Should have brought a Chevy, bitch.
what?
Said you should have brought a Chevy.
Yeah. One more time. There you go. You got it, buddy.
I'm not sure where they measure it from. But right in there,
Where's that from? Were they unhooking them? Might have been unhooking them.
because that's 300, so that's 250.
Yeah, he might
That
have.
one is 200.
He was probably around 255.
Yeah, because there's 151.
Yeah. Let's see, we're sitting on these metal road seat things. Not as comfortable and as cushions. Another old Ford. Not really that old. I gotta pay attention. I'm not being the greatest kid.
Newfield.
What?
Newfield.
Newfield? That's a little bit of a ways away. Not too far.
That's where the pot farm is.
Yeah. Alright. You got it, buddy. Alright, here we go.
What are you sleeping?
Who knows? Come on, buddy. You got it. What's he doing? What are you waiting for? Christmas? There we go.
Probably Texas.
Yeah. I would have started recording earlier, but I didn't think about it, so. What?
I kicked your soda right there.
I had to grab my soda. Knocked over, it's alright. Sorry, my hands.
Alright, now we got a man pass out of Spencer, New York.
Dueling.
How could she even think about that? She's not a Kelly. I was allowed to. Bitch.
Sorry, I'm picking hands.
I told them they closed at 9.
Hook them up for that.
Go back, go back. Stay back, come on back. That's good.
You gotta take your shoes off. You gotta take your shoes off.
Alright, we're going.
Alright. Here we go. Yeah. The furthest we've seen was the semi-trucks in total was 342 feet. The semi-trucks were earlier, the first ones that started it. I would record them, but I didn't think about it. I'm recording now. Yeah. They're shooting these out. I got hit in the head with it. I didn't have any time to react. I turn around, all I see is a giant frisbee coming and boom. I didn't have no time to react. Nothing. But I got it. I got another one. Right there. It's the Chemung County Sheriff's Office. It's a little ring thing. A little frisbee ring. Whatever you want to call it.
Coming up next on the Savona, New York, we got the old war horse, Gary Dexter.
Savona. Dang, that thing's nice. Sorry. Once those lights turn green. These guys get out of the way. And ding, 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 ding. And go. Here we go. second by 2 inches. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Let's see, who do we got next? Ooh, a GMC, one of the newer ones. It's kind of like, it looks like yours, but yours is the Chevy, and this one's black. And it's GMC. It's one of the newer ones. Sorry, it's very wobbly. I'm trying to keep it steady.
All right, up next, Mansfield, Pennsylvania. We got
Mansfield,
GMC,
Pennsylvania.
I believe it's Kevin Rowe.
Ding, ding, ding. There you go.
Hey. Good day,
Green.
Junior.
Oh,
Chain came off.
35 feet, 8.04. 35 feet, 8.04. Looks like 0 miles an hour.
0 miles an hour.
Too much slack, so the chain fell off.
Yeah. As you can see, the chain fell off.
All right, looks like Gavin's back up. You're going to give it one more shot.
He'll get 36 feet.
Switch hands. I should just pause and when I really switch hands. I don't want to miss that one. I don't want you guys to miss out on any action. When I switch hands, it's hard. Wobbling stuff. Ding, 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 ding. Good, pal. Got a couple more, and those more start lining up. Seems to only be 5 more, and those more start lining up. Alright. Something smells different, like perfume. Only for a second. Not for that smoke. Back tractor, around the rollers. What is this? Oh, it's a Ram. A Dodge. One of the newer ones. We've been seeing kind of some of the older ones.
I like that white bar though in the front.
What?
The white bar in the front.
Oh yeah. Yeah, on the bumper, yeah. Looks nice. That's probably worth some money though. Pretty funny. And go. Here we go. Feet and 10 inches. I mean, he was kind of close. He was like 51 off. That's not too bad. Seen better, but. More trucks lined up. Look.
I think it's just the way they're parked down there. They're not parking in a line.
Oh. Well, no, it looks like there's more lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's probably 7 down there at night. Maybe 2 less than that. I know I'm not staying here too long. These metal seats are not comfortable. Tractor's coming around and still a big older. Not trying to get it zoomed right. Good. Well, that's the types of Dodge. That's the year Dodges you've been seeing around there. Ones that look like that. What was his name?
Spencer.
Oh, what was his name?
The guy?
Yeah, Bildo or something.
Oh, his name is Spencer. Spencer
Something
from
about Bildo.
out of.
I don't know. I'm down here. Right there, though. Real something right there. 6 of them over there. Stay for a couple more, see how it is. We're just getting sore.
Looks like there's 4, maybe 5.
Yeah, I'd take five. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's. Come on, focus. There's 5.
There's another one with those white bars.
Yeah. Oh yeah. The white bar's on there. And it's a Ford, that's my truck. I'm just kidding. I'd rather drive a Chevy. Ford's nice, but Chevy's the best.
Can't beat a Cummins though in those Dodges.
I know, right? There you go. Try and gonna get.
Today, Junior.
Keep going. There we go.
No, I think the 10,000s were for the tractor and trailer.
Yeah, 10,000. This one, what do you think?
What's that?
What do you think of these?
I don't know. They didn't say.
7,500. $75,000, maybe they didn't really say for these ones.
If that's the case, the tractor and trailers are still in the lead.
Yeah. Tractor and trailer, the highest they got was 342. That was nice.
Cookies and cream lost.
Yeah. There's one called Cookies and Cream. It was kind of funny. I should have recorded it. There's 4 left. Wait. Looks like there's another one. Yeah, it looks like there's another one, don't it? There's 5 up there.
It's the way they're parking. It's hard to tell.
Yeah. Yeah. There's a lot of them up there.
Well, there's no more to the side. It don't look like. It looks like they're in a straight line now.
Hopefully. Unless more line up.
No, they should already been out there.
Yeah. I'm gonna get that damn roller over there. I know they go slow though. Waiting for the green light. Here we go. You're good, pal. Go.
Oh, he's taking off real slow. Better hurry up. That weight's gonna catch up with you.
Better hurry up, bub.
He ain't gonna get nowhere.
No.
He ain't got no power.
He ain't. You gotta speed up. Speed up. Yeah, yeah. No. You're done, bud. He can't beat no,
No, I think he broke the.
yeah, he passed it. He can't do one more now. 88 feet, I think.
Yeah.
For them, it's 50, I think.
The tractor and trailers was 100.
Yeah. If they didn't get to 100, they could redo it. These guys think it might be 50.
I think it's 50.
For
I'm
these
not
guys.
sure.
He's actually at 88, so he can't redo.
No, they're letting him do it again. Must be it's 100 for everybody.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Figure it'd be different. Yeah. All right. Well, he's going again. I should figure him out. I
He has no freaking power.
He ain't gonna make it, I don't think. If that's the case, he gets to do it as many times as he wants. We're gonna be here all night.
No, he only gets one other chance.
Oh, alright.
I hope he tries to drive here instead of reverse one this time.
Why'd the lights just go from green to red?
I don't know.
Yeah, there we go.
See, he has nothing.
Yeah, he ain't making it. Sorry, bud.
Give it up before you blow it up.
Yeah. Give it up. Well, he ain't gonna make it too far though. I can tell you that right now. If he keeps trying any harder, that end is gonna blow.
Oh, he got farther.
Nope. Good choice, Pat.
133 feet, 7 inches, 1.2 miles.
Not bad, but I wouldn't have tried any harder. The engine probably would have blown if you tried any harder than that. There you go.
Hey, look, you need a mop? We need a mop and a hundred foot wire.
So what did he say? 137 feet?
133 feet, 7 inches.
33?
Yep, 133 feet, 7 inches.
Well, he beat it then from the first time.
Yep. There's some off to the side. I can see a headlight right by the wall.
Really?
We'll wait for maybe 2 or 3 more and then we'll get out of here. I'm starting to get pretty hungry.
You're always hungry.
Oh, shut up.
There you are. We've got the Rocket Man himself, Alex Gold, and the Red Rocket.
Red Rocket. All right. Nice. Looks nice. Let's listen. Read it almost.
He should be second.
He's gotta be. Yeah, he is. He almost made it.
26 miles an hour for Alex Gold and the Red Rocket.
Nice though. He did good work. Looks like there's only 2 left.
That's what I'm thinking.
Focus.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
I want to see what money they win.
Yeah.
Because they only mentioned it for the tractor and trailers, but not the other 2
It is
classes.
the same. It's only
But how would
tractor.
that be fair?
I know, right? Because tractor is obviously beat it.
Yeah, and the off-road trucks, they were like really souped up.
Yeah. It's got to be different.
Unless the street ones only get a trophy, maybe. No
Yeah.
money.
Yeah, they probably split it between the 3 winners.
That could be, I guess.
Yeah, they probably split it between the semi winner, the street winner, and the off-road winner. The street one's the last one's the last round they do. Well, semi, first round they did, off-road the second round they did, and street. This is the last round we're doing for the holes. First round.
All right, ladies, keep your
You know what I
eye
mean.
on the Dodge truck. Out of Addison, New York, we've got the infamous
that a Super Duty?
Ready to mingle. Farmer's truck is called Simple Ready to Mingle. Being sponsored by FarmerDoby.com. So check out his profile.
Is it a Super Duty?
I think so.
It's got the light bar too.
I like that yellow one better than the
Yeah,
white.
that looks nice. Sorry, I'm trying to.
I should get one for my truck,
They're probably a pretty penny though.
probably.
All right, you're good. Keep going. He didn't do it either. Third. 295, he's third. Second was 300, first was 308. How many we got left? Oh, this guy's standing up. I can't zoom in to see.
There's one there,
Oh, sit your ass
and
down.
I see one little yellow light right there. I can't tell.
Come on, sit your ass down. Quit rubbing your ass. Quit showing everybody ass. Sit down. Oh my goodness. I think this is the last one. Because if that was the truck, it would have been up in line by now, that light.
That's true. I think this is the last one, hopefully.
Yeah,
I want to know who won.
I know. Will you guys stay sitting down? Quit itching your asses in front of me. I'm trying to record here.
No, that is a truck.
Oh, it is. Hopefully it's for only on the other one though.
I don't see no lights behind them.
Yeah. Hopefully it's the only other one. What time is it?
9 o'clock.
Yeah, it's probably about over then. They said around 9, 9:30, sometimes 10. That's when it went end.
Yeah, because no one had to be towed off, so it's been going pretty quick.
Yeah. And none of the things broke down, the roller or nothing.
That white one almost had to be towed off.
Yeah, the white GMC on the off-road, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he got pretty messed up. But will you sit down? Damn. I'm trying to see this shit now. Oh my god, you're right.
You'll have to stand up and
Sit
lean
down.
over.
Sit down. Sit down, pothead.
Oh, I just saw lightning.
Yeah, I've been seeing it.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, I was out of the camera pointed that way and you can see a flash.
We got a long freaking walk to the truck.
Yeah. That's gonna get on my nerves if it's downpouring. I mean, if it was downpouring, the track would be getting wet. You would be able to see it.
They're getting ready.
Yeah.
Lean the phone up a little bit.
All right. Zoom in. Not that far. Yeah, come on. He ain't gonna get very far.
He's about to break the 100-foot though,
Yeah.
so he won't get another shot.
No.
You guys do it.
169. He's done.
Yeah, that's the last one. I don't see no one pulling up.
Yeah, that's the last one. That's one idiot. Kind of sitting down. Oh no, he's sitting down. There's no guy sitting up like that. Apparently drunk. They have no. They're inconsiderate because he's drunk. They don't think about others.
Yeah, there's that Chevy right there that got all fucked up.
Oh yeah, right there driving on the
No,
trailer. I
going
mean?
on the trailer.
Yeah, on the trailer. I mean, yeah. Yeah, there he goes, the GMC.
There was something really clunking under that truck.
Yeah, he was hobbling too. I just seen lightning again. Look at all them bugs up there by that light.
Yeah.
Crazy.
soon as they announce the winners, we're gonna start heading to the truck because it might start pouring.
Yeah. Come on, you better make this quick, guys.
I kind of wanted to go buy one of those hats, but I don't know if I want to walk that far down.
Yeah. I'm sure they'll understand if it starts downpouring. Unless we can make it kind of quick.
Because from where we are, we're almost straight up to the truck. We'll just go somewhere else to eat.
Oh, yeah, look at that lightning.
I want to get out of here
That was a
soon.
nice flash of lightning. Yeah, it might start down. Oh, there it is again.
We'll get something to eat somewhere else.
Alright. Stay looking that way. You can see the lightning if it goes again. It's gonna get a storm. I want to say something. Alright, anyway.